According to the textbook, A Guide to Teaching Students with Autism Spectrum Disorders, improving social functioning is perhaps the most critical intervention goal for students on the autism spectrum. Therefore, it is crucial for students to receive specific instruction focusing on social skills improvement. This video is an example of video modeling focusing on a student, Jennifer, responding to someone who says hello and asks her questions. The goal of this specific lesson is for Jennifer to look at the person saying hello and answer the questions asked, and ask the other person a question without the use of outside prompts. Jennifer has been practicing this skill through role modeling with her teacher and her peers. Here we go. This is my video to remind me how to respond to someone who says hello to me and asks me a question. I have to remember it is polite and respectful to look at people in the eye and say hello to them and answer their questions.
Good morning, Jennifer.
Hi.
Jennifer, do you remember last week we were practicing that when we communicate, we look at each other in the eye?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead and practice that again. Try it again, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Good morning, Jennifer.
Hi.
Good morning. How was your weekend?
It was good. How was yours?
It was good. Thank you for asking. What did you do this weekend?
I played.
You played. What did you do?
I played with my animals.
Oh, what kind of animals do you have?
I have some goats and horses and cats and dogs.
Wow. How many goats do you have?
5.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, what are you reading?
I'm reading a book about a lady.
Oh, okay. So remember, like we practiced, that we're looking each other in the eye when we're talking, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So what kind of book are you reading?
I'm reading about a lady and who has animals.
Has animals. What kind of animals does she have?
She has the same animals as me. She has goats and horses too.
Oh. Do you have a favorite kind of animal?
No, I like them all.
You like them all. What about her? Does she have a favorite animal?
She likes cows.
She likes cows more, okay. But
Yeah.
you don't have any cows.
I don't have cows.
Okay. All right. Well, it was really nice talking to you. I'll let you get back to reading your book, okay?
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Okay, thank you.
As you observed, there were times that Jennifer needed additional prompts to look at the other person in the eye, and she needed to have reminders for eye contact. She also needed the reinforcements of, okay, well, that's good, and those types of reinforcements to keep her going and keep the conversation going. Hopefully this will help Jennifer in the future be able to go back and look at this video and remind herself of how she should act and how she should respond to people whenever they come in and they ask her questions. Thank you.